Have you ever seen an iPhone with two charging ports? This is an iPhone 11. The customer said it won't turn on despite normal use. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Well, it's open. Does it look a bit shocking? This is a modified Type-C charging port. With this modification, the phone can power on without a battery, just by plugging in a charger. Honestly, I don't see the point of this. A perfectly good phone was ruined like this, and now it won't even turn on. Anyway, let's ignore that for now. First, let's check the current on the logic board. The moment we apply power, there's a huge current surge. This definitely means something on the board is shorted. Next, let's protect the camera first. We place the board on the heating pad to separate the upper and lower layers. After splitting them apart, we apply power to the upper board. The current reading is still the same, so the fault must be in the upper board. Under the microscope, we power up the board and locate the overheating spot. The overheating is pretty obvious, near the power supply area. We apply flux to the surrounding area to pinpoint the exact overheating point. When we power the board, the hotspot reveals itself. The overheating component is the main power IC. First, we remove the nearby clock crystal to make space for our tool. Then we pry off the power IC. Gotta be quick with this step. Next, we rub all the new power IC with solder. After that, we reinstall the clock crystal onto the board, followed by the main power IC. Now comes the moment of truth. We power up the board and check the boot current. The board no longer leaks current when powered. Press the power button. The boot current is now normal. Next, we rub all the lower board. And reattach both layers together. Once cooled, we place the board back into the case. The customer asked us to restore the phone to its original state, so we removed this modified Type-C port. This thing was probably unstable and ended up frying the power IC. Honestly, modifying phones like this is pointless. It's neither stable nor safe. We reattach the screen to the case and power on the device. Let's quickly test the basic functions. Everything seems to be working fine, simple as that. Did you learn something?